Even light up.
Oh shit! It's here. It's here.
It is?
It's gonna open up like.
No, because it would ding. It would ding. It goes ding, ding, ding. No, it's not.
Why don't I hear this one?
It's just the wind.
Oh, it is
Here
here.
it is.
Shit! This goes up to the top, and we didn't even have to show ID. Shit. 52. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
So then, why did we have to show ID last time we were here?
I don't know.
All of those Janus sense of beings on my door. Shit.
What? Yeah.
I use this pop.
I know, mine did too.
When I walked into the hub, top the hub, like with this shit.
Hey, welcome. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Alright, I think it opens on that side to the right of us.
Oh,
yeah.
Want to just go to the lobby?
Yeah, why not?
We're going out the other side too.
Yeah.
What's the side that was roped off last time?
Yeah.
You chickened out on?
Oh, with the pool. You know how
There's a was pulling the little speed.
we're stopping at 50?
Oh, the skywalk's open still?
I don't know.
Okay.
He's going down?
Going down.
Yep.
She says pause.
Huh?
We're going out towards the convention. We're going to the Sheraton after.
I don't have my keys, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but we gotta cut through to get to the Triple Shits garage.
Oh, yes. Dalton Street, Triple Shits.
Gotta watch out for the Triple Shits.
Yeah.
I'm not walking to the garage playing that song.
Wait, really?
I'm gonna play Can't I Go In? No, I should just start playing the level itself, like go on Geometry Dash.
I should play too. Maybe actually. Ear spot.
Like 100 meters and you don't even feel it.
Way more than 100 meters. 1,500.
No, meter is 3 feet.
Oh, I see. What do you live?
I looked at the elevator. See, these the elevators we had last time.
Oh yeah, I think Jay Seberg. Oh,
Let's go out this way.
No, I'm not going out that way. I think I'm risking doing that. Here we go. I think it's the same person actually. I don't know. That'll be it.